Hey, I think this might be the perfect compact car detailer because you're going to be able to force the air and blow the air with this like a regular air duster, but I can also vacuum everything up with this. So you're getting the best of both worlds. I'm going to just demo it right here for you in the car. The easiest way to operate this is just to pull this trigger down right here and hold it, and it's just going to go to full strength. There you go. You can see we got 4 bars there. As soon as I let go, it's just going to turn everything off. You can also double click it. All right. And when you double click it, you're going to be able to cycle through the power levels. Okay. So you can do that. And we can go back to 1. So let's go ahead and long press. We're going to turn it. So behind the steering column, do you see down in here? It's really hard to get into this area with a vacuum. This is the perfect place to go ahead and just use the air duster. There we go. All right, perfect. So I was able to get all the debris out behind the column there and just blow it out. Now I can go ahead and vacuum that up. It's way better than trying to get a vacuum back in there. So as you're using the forced air, this button back here is going to control the little flashlight. So we'll go ahead and put that on for you. But this area right here is perfect. There's all kinds of little spaces and nooks and crannies that are really hard to clean. So just take your air duster. Watch this. Oh yeah. Get up in here. That screen. Right. Okay, so right there, I've gotten all of the debris and dust off of this area. Now I can go ahead and take a cloth and wipe that down. But if you try to wipe this down without getting the debris out of there first, you're just going to smear everything. So again, perfect where you can't really use a vacuum, use the forced air. So look right down in here, you see, you could see all of the debris. So we're going to just blow that out. Right here. Okay, what about a cup holder? Look, this is another area. Just shoot the air down in there. There we go. There we go. Okay, now take a closer look. All of the debris is out of this little corner here, and a lot of it is out on the front of the steps now, which is fine because I can take the bigger vacuum and I can go ahead and vacuum that up. Now I don't have to mess with getting in this corner. There we go. When you're done, all you're going to do is just pop this off, kind of knock it around, and look, down there we have everything else. Here we go. Okay. The only thing I wish they would have included in this was a carrying bag. No, they don't have that. It's not the end of the world, but you could get a little bag. This is going to be the perfect size to put into the glove box in the car. I think really that's the primary use for it. But as you saw, I use it around my fireplace. You can use it really anywhere you want. I think they did a great job. It's really powerful, easy to use. You get a couple of attachments. You can force the air. You can suck the air with the vacuum attachment. Definitely pick this one up and check it out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.